There's a secret that some people know, but most don't. While you might be struggling with endless mess, clutter piling up in every corner, and that constant feeling that your home is never truly clean, there are people who walk into a spotless, peaceful space every single day. Their homes feel calm, organized, and welcoming at all times. They never panic when the doorbell rings unexpectedly. They never feel embarrassed about someone visiting, and most importantly, they don't spend entire weekends trying to catch up on cleaning. It almost feels like they figured out something the rest of us haven't. But here's the truth. They weren't born with a special cleaning gene, and they don't have extra time or superhuman discipline. What they have is a set of simple but powerful habits that guide their daily actions without them even realizing it. I'm Marcus, and here on Seniors Cleaning Hacks, I've spent years observing and understanding exactly how these people maintain such consistently clean homes. And today, I'm going to share those habits with you in a way that can truly change your life. But before we begin, understand this clearly. If you keep doing what you've always done, you'll keep getting the same messy results. However, if you listen carefully and actually apply what you learn here, your home can transform in ways you didn't think were possible. Let's start with a reality check, because this is where most people get stuck. At some point, you've probably tried to clean and organize your home properly. Maybe you even dedicated an entire day or weekend to it, cleaning every surface, arranging everything neatly, and stepping back at the end feeling proud and satisfied. But then, within just a few days, everything slowly started slipping back into chaos. Clothes began piling up again, surfaces got cluttered, and that clean feeling disappeared. This happens because most people focus only on the acts of cleaning, not on the habits that keep things clean. People with spotless homes understand something much deeper. They know that cleanliness isn't achieved through occasional effort, but through small, consistent actions repeated daily. Think about brushing your teeth. You don't wait until they are extremely dirty and then spend hours scrubbing them. You clean them a little every day, and they stay clean. Your home works in exactly the same way. And once you understand this principle, everything begins to change. The first habit that makes a massive difference is the power of immediate action. Most people see a small mess and tell themselves they'll deal with it later. But later rarely comes. Those small tasks pile up until they become overwhelming. On the other hand, people with clean homes have trained themselves to act immediately. When they finish a cup of coffee, the mug goes straight to the kitchen. When they change clothes, those clothes go directly into the closet or laundry basket. When they bring in mail, it gets sorted right away. These actions take only a few seconds, but they prevent clutter from ever building up. Over time, this habit alone can completely change how your home looks and feels, because instead of constantly trying to catch up, you're always staying ahead. Another important habit is giving everything a proper home. One of the biggest reasons homes become messy is because items don't have a clear, fixed place where they belong. People with organized homes make sure that every single item has one specific location, and they stick to it consistently. Keys are always placed in the same spot, shoes go to the same rack, kitchen items are stored in their designated drawers, and clothes are sorted into proper sections. This might sound simple, but it removes confusion and hesitation. When you always know where something belongs, putting it away becomes automatic. You no longer leave things lying around simply because you don't know where to put them, and this alone reduces clutter dramatically. The third habit is something that many people overlook, yet it is incredibly powerful: the evening reset. Instead of leaving everything messy at night and dealing with it the next day, people with clean homes spend just a few minutes each evening preparing their space. They walk through their home, pick up items that are out of place, and return them where they belong. They clear surfaces, prepare things for the next day, and create a sense of order before going to bed. This small effort has a huge impact because when they wake up, they're greeted by a clean, calm environment. Their mornings become smoother, less stressful, and more productive simply because they took a little time the night before. Cleaning as you go is another habit that completely changes your relationship with housework. Instead of allowing mess to build up and then dealing with it all at once, this habit encourages you to handle things in the moment. While cooking, you wash utensils as you use them. If something spills, you clean it immediately. After using an item, you put it back right away. This prevents dirt and clutter from accumulating and turning into a big, exhausting task later. It also saves time and energy because small messes are always easier to deal with than large ones. Many people believe they need long hours to clean their home properly, but that's not true. The most effective approach is using small pockets of time throughout the day. This is where the 5-minute rule comes in. Instead of waiting for the perfect time to clean, you take advantage of small moments, while waiting for your coffee, during a phone call, or even while something is heating up in the microwave. In just 5 minutes, you can organize a surface, fold clothes, or tidy a small area. These quick actions may seem minor, but when done consistently, they add up and keep your home in a constant state of order. Another key habit is doing a weekly reset. No matter how good your daily habits are, things will still get slightly out of place over time. That's completely normal. People with clean homes don't ignore this. Instead, they dedicate a short period once a week to review and reset their space. They go through each room, fix anything that's out of order, and make small adjustments to keep everything running smoothly. This prevents small issues from turning into major problems and ensures that their home never falls into chaos again. Controlling what comes into your home is equally important. Clutter doesn't just appear, it accumulates through constant intake of new items. People who maintain clean homes are very mindful about what they bring in. Before buying something, they ask themselves if they truly need it. They avoid impulsive purchases and often wait before making decisions. They also follow a simple rule. When something new comes in, something old goes out. This keeps the total amounts of belongings under control and makes organization much easier. Visual systems are another powerful tool. Instead of relying on memory, people create simple systems using labels, sections, and clear organization. When everything is visually structured, it becomes obvious where items belong, and anyone in the household can maintain the system without confusion. This reduces mistakes and keeps things organized even when life gets busy. Buffer zones are also essential. Not everything can go to its final place immediately, so having designated temporary areas helps manage this transition. Entryways, kitchen counters, and bedroom spaces can act as holding areas for items that are in between uses. This prevents clutter from spreading randomly throughout the house and keeps everything contained. Finally, all of these habits come together in what can be called an integrated daily flow. Instead of seeing cleaning as a separate task, it becomes a natural part of your routine. You make your bed in the morning, tidy as you move through your day, and do small resets without thinking. Over time, these actions become automatic, just like brushing your teeth or locking your door. And that is the ultimate goal. Not perfection, but consistency. At the end of the day, having a clean home is not about working harder. It's about working smarter through simple, consistent habits. The key is not to try everything at once, but to start small. Choose one habit, practice it until it feels natural, and then gradually add more. Real transformation doesn't happen overnight, but with patience and consistency, it absolutely happens. Your clean, peaceful home is not out of reach. It begins with the very next small action you take.